Welcome back. I'm Frank, the low carb cocktail guy, and today we're doing some green. Yeah, that's right. We'll be using some of the Befuddled. And if you've not watched that video, check that out. I'll have a link at the end of this video there, how to make your own sugar-free melon liqueur. Since St. Patrick's Day is right around the corner, like I think it's next weekend. I don't know what even day it is now. Believe it's Saturday. It's my day off, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of day drinking. But like I mentioned with St. Patrick's Day, we're going to be doing a cocktail that I call the Befuddled Leprechaun. Now this is a recipe I created back I think in 2019, 2018. I used to work for a local distillery here out in Lafayette. It was a vodka company. At the time I was doing a lot of the cocktail recipes for them. They needed a St. Patrick's Day cocktail featuring their vodka, and I came up with this recipe. It's really good. I was never able to make it low carb because I never had Befuddled that was low carb until now. Till we got the green. We got green. So we're gonna be doing the Befuddled Leprechaun. So now that we got our tens, because I can't do a video without forgetting something, we're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna be adding 1.5 ounces of vodka. Sugarfield's vodka, it's my favorite local distillery. If you've not been able to tell, they do everything good there. Everything they do there is awesome. So we're gonna be doing 1.5 ounces Sugarfield vodka. And what I like about this one is this is actually made with sugar cane. So it's made with sugar. So then here it is. Don't freak out because I said it's made with sugar and you go, oh my God, it's made with sugar. It's not low carb. Yes, it is. All the carbs are gone through distillation. So no big deal. It's 0 carbs like all vodka. So 1.5 ounces of our vodka. Now we're gonna need a sour mix. You can batch this out in big batch bottle or you can do it one thing at a time. And that's kind of what we're gonna do. We got lemon, lime, and simple. And you've heard me talk about the lime oleocitrate. Got a lemon oleocitrate. I'm not going to do a video for it unless I get like a whole lot of demand to do it. But if you go to Kevin Koss's website, Kevin Koss, Koss with a K-O-S, kevinkoss.com, he has his super juice calculator there. Just do that and don't put the lemon juice back in. So it's a super juice, not adding the juice back in, 0 net carbs. So we're gonna do 1/2 ounce of each. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of our simple syrup. And this is made with RXSugar, discount code below for that. A lime oleocitrate, 0 net carbs, 1/2 ounce of that. And we're gonna do a lemon oleocitrate, 1/2 ounce of this. Apparently the cat just came in the bar room. Now we're gonna go with 1 ounce of pineapple juice, and this is the first time carbs are coming into our recipe. And this is gonna be 1.66 net carbs in your delight, savior of cocktails. And 1 ounce of our Befuddled. So now we just add ice and shake. Okay, so you get yourself an old-fashioned glass, rocks glass, something like that. We'll put some fresh ice in it. Straight into Befuddled Leprechaun. Super simple, super easy, nothing fancy, lime wedge. This is the Befuddled Leprechaun. Drink 7 of these and you'll be befuddled yourself. Let's go ahead and try this out. That is so good. That is so good. That is so good. I tell you one thing. Anything with a melon liqueur and pineapple, amazing pairings. They're amazing pairings. This is great. If you like the video, leave a comment below. YouTube algorithm likes those kinds of things. You know what they like even more? If you share it. You share the videos. And like 2 weeks ago, I checked my analytics. I had 46 shares. That was freaking amazing. Guys, thank y'all so much for sharing my stuff. Keep it going, share my videos, show your friends. Tell your friends if they're not subscribed, make sure you click subscribe. And if you want to help me out a little bit more, there's a link to my Patreon below. See you later.